Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Taz. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy mashed potatoes. It's a very appealing form of carb and could serve as a perfect side to your meal. Kids to elders, everyone could equally enjoy it. I've topped it with some sharp cheddar cheese. You could skip it if you want to. Let's get to the recipe. I've taken about a little less than 1.5 pounds of potatoes, which is roughly about 650 grams. We'll also need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Worst case scenario, if you don't have the whipping cream, you could also use half and half. Then we need 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Finely shredded is preferred. Now I'm going to peel the potatoes one at a time. There's a huge variety of potatoes at the store, but I really prefer the russet potatoes for my mashed potatoes. I'm showing the peeling process just in case it helps any of my viewers. Once I'm done peeling all the potatoes, I'm going to wash them properly. Since they're pretty big in size, I prefer to chop them into pieces so it's faster to cook. I choose to do it because it helps cut down on the cooking time, but if you want, you could skip this step. Bigger the size, longer the cooking time. I've boiled about 1.5 liters of water, and now I've added 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm going to add my potatoes to the boiling water. Make sure you don't drop all the potatoes all at once into the hot water, because in that case the water might spill and it could hurt you. Take your time, do it slowly and carefully. If needed, use a spoon or a tongue like I'm using. Throughout the cooking process, stir to make sure every piece is getting evenly cooked. You could also insert a fork to check if it's been cooked. With time and experience, you'd be able to tell if it's been cooked just by the look of it. The color and texture changes once cooked. Once done, I've drained the extra water. Now I'm ready to mash the potatoes. I'm using this potato masher. Just in case you don't have one, you could also put on some gloves and use your hands to do it. But in that case, watch out because it's going to be very hot. Potato mashers are available at stores, but I've bought mine from Amazon and I've attached the link in the description box below. Once you're done mashing, pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, little at a time. I do it in 2 or 3 sittings. Also check if you need to add more salt at this point. Later on, I'm going to top it with cheese and broil in the oven for about a couple of minutes. But if you're not going to top it with cheese or broil it in the oven, you might not need 1 entire cup of heavy whipping cream, but less than that, because broiling takes away moisture. So take that into account when you're adding the whipping cream. There is a borderline difference between the mash being creamy or watery, so watch out. There are many different methods of bringing this dish to completion. Like in different restaurants, they have their own secret house recipe of how they make their mashed potatoes. This one right here that I'm showing you is a very simple recipe and a quick one too. In the future, I'll share the other various different recipes. I've transferred my mashed potatoes to this flat white bowl. Now I'm going to top it with about 1 cup of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. Spread the cheese evenly. Meanwhile, I have preheated my oven at 525 degrees Fahrenheit or 274 degrees Celsius on broil mode. Now I'm going to put the mash in the oven and broil for about 2 minutes or until the cheese melts. Please use oven mittens at all times. The cheese has melted and I've taken it out of the oven. Now I'm going to try it and tell you how it came out. You could already see how creamy and cheesy it is. It tastes so good. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, please do not forget to hit the bell button so you get instant notification every time I upload a video. Like and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much for watching. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram too.